Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this little tea light candle. I'm going to paint the wick of it with some burnt orange. Next, I'm going to take some pink and add it to either side. As you can tell, we're making a snowman. Then I'm going to take the end of a stylus, and I'm just going to do 2 black dots for eyes, then a few black dots for his mouth. Next, I'm going to take this printable from my website that I made for you guys, and it's free. You can just go over there and grab one, and it says, and it has a little poem on it, and I'm going to just cut one of those out. I couldn't decide which side I wanted to cut first, so I'm just going to cut this bottom one out. I'm just going to cut right on the black line, and I'll leave a little bit of the line. Once I have that all cut out, I'm going to take these foam stickers. They're double-sided, so you just use one side. I'm going to stick that on the bottom of the tea light, peel off the little piece of paper, and then I'm going to stick that right on the bottom of this card. And I printed these out on cardstock. And then I am going to take these bags from, I think I got these at Dollar Tree. They're cellophane bags with little snowflakes on them. I thought they were perfect with the snowman. And then I'm just going to take some pretty ribbon. I use silver for this one. And I'm just going to tie it in a knot at the top of the bag. And then put it in a little bow. And then I'm just going to cut off that excess cellophane. And look at how cute that is. Just a cute, simple little gift. Then we're going to work on another one. And this is going to be a magnet. So I'm going to take this little wooden circle. I'm going to paint it white. And then I'm going to let that dry. I ended up doing 2 coats. And then once I had that all dry, I'm going to take that same pink and I'm going to do either side of the circle for the snowman cheeks. Then I'm going to take some orange paint. I'm going to paint a nose in the center. So just an elongated like carrot shape. And then I am going to do the same thing with the stylus. And I'm just going to dip it in some black paint. I'm going to do 2 eyes. And then I'm going to do the same dots for the mouth. Then once I have that all done, I'm going to take a liner brush and I'm going to add some eyebrows. So just 2 small lines above each eye. Once I have that all finished and it's all dry, I'm going to take this glitter paint from Dollar Tree. It's made by Deco Art. And I'm just going to go over the whole face so it's all nice and sparkly. And then I'm going to let that fully dry. Once that's fully dry, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to take this magnet. I'm going to glue it to the back side. Then I'm going to use one of those foam dots again. They're, like I said, double-sided and this printable. And this is made for the snowman magnet ones. And again, this is free on my website. Cut that one out. Again, just cutting along that black line. Leaving a little bit of the line. I made it thick enough so that you could cut some of it. Then I'm going to, like I said, take one of those foam discs there. Put that right on the back of the magnet. Peel that paper off and then add that right to the center. And again, I'm going to stick that in one of those snowflake cellophane bags right from Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to use some white sparkly ribbon on this one. I'm just going to cut off a piece of that. And then tie it on the top of the bag again. And then just tie that in a bow. And that is it. These are super cute and super easy to make. They make great last minute gifts. Good for your coworkers. You know, maybe the lady at the bank, the postal worker. People like that seem to somehow get forgotten. Or that you just want to let them know that you're thinking of them. They're also cute for package tie-ons. Or to bring to, you know, a gathering for a hostess gift. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope it inspires you to make one. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.